For all of our siding projects, we offer the same warranty we do for all of our other services. That's a lifetime workmanship warranty. My belief has always been that if we have ever done something wrong on a job site, whether you find it in a year, 2 years, 10 years, or 20, we should fix it for free, and any other ancillary charges that need to happen to make it right by you. At Buresh Home Solutions, we're one of the few companies that has a project manager on site for all of our siding installations. Buresh Home Solutions is fully insured and licensed with the state of Iowa. Our license number is C095734, and we also have workers' compensation to, again, protect you more. At Buresh Home Solutions, our goal is to find the best siding that meets your needs and budget. That's why we install a variety. The #1 siding we install now is called Everlast, and that's by choice of our customers. But we have experience installing hundreds of jobs of Hardy Plank, LP Smart Side, steel, vinyl, insulated vinyl. So whatever's best for your needs is what we will install. At Buresh Home Solutions, we tear off siding 98% of the time. And the reason being is the picture you're about to see. We want to make sure that underneath the siding, there's no damage that we cover up, and later you may have to pay to have new siding taken off to repair that damage. At Buresh Home Solutions, we're committed to honoring the price we gave you. One variable in a siding project is when we tear off siding, we might find damage. And obviously we want to repair that before we put the siding up. If it's just a little bit of damage, you're probably not going to see any additional costs. If there's a little bit more significant damage, before we do that, we will confirm with you that you're okay with a small adjustment in price just to cover our expenses to make it right.